show you guys how we can attach an upper of a sneaker onto a cup sole. What we need to do is punch some little holes all the way around. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to measure them out. So come on over. The trick here is to always start on the inside so that if at the end your 2 points don't meet up perfectly, it's pretty hidden. So I usually pick a point on the inside there, and we're just going to mark out a little dot about 1 centimeter apart. And if you have a look up close, you can see there's this little groove in the sneaker sole. We want to make that mark in that groove. So all the way around we'll put in these little dots. Okay, so once you've drawn those little dots all the way around, and I've just used a little silver gel pen to do that, I'm going to now take my hole punch, and I've got this set on the smallest hole, and we just want to basically work our way around punching inside that little groove. If you get a little bit stuck in there like that, you can just pick them out with your fingers or an awl. Like that. And then we'll just keep working our way around. Okay, so once you've punched all of those holes out, that is now ready to stitch on an upper.